Don't blame it on anyone. Let's make a disclaimer from the beginning of the talk. Don't say it's my husband. Don't say it's my children. Don't say it is my family. Why I'm saying this? Because that's the excuses Shaitan is going to put. And my answer right away should be your answer. If it is your husband, how was the wife of Fir'aun? Fir'aun. Right? How did she make it? رَبِّ ابْنِ لِي عِنْدَكَ بَيْتًا فِي الْجَنَّةِ. Ya Allah, build a house. عِنْدَكَ, build a house for me with you in Jannah. She chose the neighbor before the neighborhood, they say. She put him before Jannah. Well, it's my children. Or Sayyidina Nuh, his son was kafir. Or it's my parents. Or Sayyidina Ibrahim, his father was kafir. So don't blame it on people. And don't blame it on Shaitan. I say this to myself before anyone. You know who you blame and I blame? Who? Me. Me is the biggest problem. I'm not saying the others are not. But the biggest obstacle in my path to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as I am living before I go back is me. And nafs. Because I love this dunya. Don't tell me you don't. I love the beauty of it. Right? I love to be different. I love to impress people. I love to be the most beautiful woman. I love to be the most popular person, especially this day and age, the day of social media. So in the path, the first thing I'm going to do, you know, when you say, I'm going to go and register in a gym, the first step is you need to sit down with yourself and you need to talk to yourself. Where do you want to be at the end?